It can be challenging to find the right vacuum sealer, as there are all kinds of vacuum sealer brands to choose. No worries, we've got you covered. We put together the top 5 best vacuum sealers for you. There are many products available to choose from vacuum sealers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, checked reviews, and compiled a list of the best vacuum sealers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine. Automatic Bag Detection. Automatic bag detection makes vacuum sealing easier than ever. Simply put the bag in the vacuum chamber and the machine does the rest to ensure your food stays fresh and flavorful. Seal freshness in. Meat preserved with the FoodSaver system in the freezer can last up to 3 years and still taste fresh, flavorful, and freezer burn-free. Prep ahead meals, leftovers, and produce stored in the fridge will stay fresh up to weeks later, instead of spoiling in days. Very consistent sealing. Guaranteed to reach an optimal vacuum level and airtight seal, the V4440 is durable, high quality, and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Simple to use. Built-in roll storage and cutter lets you easily make custom-sized bags to fit whatever you seal, while LED light indicators easily guide you through the vacuum sealing process. An RTL tested and certified product. All FoodSaver appliances are ETL certified by nationally recognized test laboratories and RTLs for compliance with applicable product safety test standards. Safety is our priority. All pre-made bag sizes, FreshSaver zipper bags, fresh containers, and quick marinator. Optional accessories include FoodSaver regular and wide mouth mason jar sealers, and FoodSaver bottle stoppers for wine and oil bottles. Automatic moisture detection. Smart technology automatically detects moisture and switches to the correct mode to ensure an airtight seal is achieved. The patented removable drip tray will catch any overflow liquid and is dishwasher safe, making this kitchen appliance easy to clean and maintain. Number 2. FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine with Automatic Bag Detection. Yields more bags. Designed to minimize bag waste compared to previous FoodSaver models. Features a built-in roll cutter, so you can create custom-sized bags without using scissors. Stretch your dollar. Food preserved with the FoodSaver system in the freezer can last up to 3 years and still taste fresh, flavorful, and freezer burn-free. Prep ahead meals, leftovers, and produce stored in the fridge will stay fresh up to weeks later instead of spoiling in days. Very consistent sealing. Equipped with dual heat sealing strips, it's guaranteed to reach an optimal vacuum level and airtight seal. The FM2100 is durable, high quality, and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Compatible with fresh handheld sealer and other accessories. Attach the handheld sealer, sold separately, with the accessory hose included with your machine to start preserving food in the refrigerator and pantry with FoodSaver zipper bags and fresh containers, sold separately. Number 3. Vacuum Sealer Machine, Full Automatic Food Sealer. One-touch operation. Designed with fully automatic vacuum sealing operation. Just put the bag into the machine, choose the dry moist mode, it will start to vacuum and seal automatically. You can take off the upper lid to clean the sealer machine easily and safely. Exclusive design. Automatic vacuum sealer has a sleek design and fashionable color that fits perfectly into contemporary design aesthetics. Compact size and lightweight design are easy to store and move around. User-friendly experience. Sealer machine designed with fully automatic vacuum sealing operation, all stainless steel panel, LED indicator lights, electric plug-in and the digital touch controls panel provides a user-friendly experience for you. External vacuum function. Come with 10 vacuum sealer bags, 2 accessory ports to be used for sealing white mouth canning jars, such as jars, wine bottle, and a marinating canister for quickly marinating meats. Our attachments are compatible with most models. Adjustable modes. Dry moist vac external vac seal. Just put your bag into the machine, choose the dry moist mode, it will start to vacuum and seal automatically. Within vac mode, you can control the vacuum time to fit whatever you seal. Provide your food with the best possible preservation based on your different types. Number 4. NutriChef PKVS Sealer Automatic Vacuum Air Sealing. Easy to operate. Fully automatic simple electric plug-in design with the control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along with LED indicator lights, a smart device at your family's service. The ideal money and time-saving solution. Cooking and meal preparation will become easier, less expensive, and faster, as you will be able to equip and organize your freezer with fresh food ready to be defrosted and served with fresh ingredients, instead of freezer-burned food filled with ice crystals which will probably end up in the trash can. 2 sealing modes. Useful and practical. The NutriChef vacuum sealing system is cleverly designed owning 2 selectable modes to provide your food with the best possible preservation. Based on the type of food you want to seal, you can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered or steamed food. Lab tested quality. Vacuum sealers preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies or containers, basically depending on the type of food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer, however, was subjected to specific laboratory testing to effectively increase food shelf life. A full starter kit. Apart from the vacuum sealer and the air suction hose, the NutriChef vacuum sealer package also includes a wine stopper cork, 5 medium vacuum bags, 7.8 inch by 11.8 inch, and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll, 7.8 inch by 79.0 inch, both kinds being reusable, and waterproof. A complete bundle for your new cooking air. Number 5. FoodSaver vacuum sealer machine with starter vacuum seal. Simple to use. Just add food to the bag, insert the open end into the FM2000, and the machine takes care of the rest, removing all of the air, creating an airtight seal, and stopping automatically once seal is complete. Versatility and convenience in the kitchen. When food is protected from air and freezer burn, everyday meal planning is easier. Double the recipe of your favorite dishes, then store the extra portions for a quick and nutritious meal on busy weeknights, and spend less time grocery shopping when you buy frequently used items in bulk. Stretch your dollar. Food preserved with the FoodSaver system and stored in the freezer can last up to 3 years, rather than 6 months, and it will still taste as fresh as the day you sealed it. And prep ahead meals and leftovers stored in the fridge can still be enjoyed weeks later. Simple to clean. Exclusively designed patented removable drip tray, which collects any excess liquid and debris that may result from vacuum sealing, helps keep countertops clean and is dishwasher safe. Cord length. 24 inches. Not just for food storage. Use your vacuum sealer to store liquids and creams when you travel, protect important papers or photographs from mildew or possible water damage, create your own refreezable ice packs, and much more. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life very much easier.